The V-Life with Dr. Annie is produced by Advanced Cardiovascular Care Center with educational grants from Amazing Lines, Dolce Vita Cardio Advanced Med Spa, and sponsored by In Mode Aesthetic Solutions.
Hi, welcome to Live the V-Life with Dr. Annie. Today we're in the kitchen because the kitchen is where prevention happens, right, Juliana?
Yes, and this is our beautiful kitchen, and we have a lot of tips on how to prevent diabetes and how to eat healthy, and that's why Dr. Annie decided to do the diabetes topic here in the kitchen.
Well, you know, diabetes is so important, right? It affects such a great percentage of our population in the United States, right? And children are now developing diabetes type 2, and children are not going to live longer than their parents according to statistics. But we want to change those statistics, right? So prevention starts in the kitchen. It's what we eat, it's what we put into our bodies, right? So
Yes.
we want to talk about health, managing or preventing diabetes even, right? Because there's something called insulin resistance. So when we're eating a lot of carbohydrates, what happens? Our insulin level goes up because it's trying to fight that blood sugar spike, right? Then when insulin goes up, what's happening is we're depositing fat. So we see all of our youngsters even carrying all of this extra body fat, right? So we want to help prevent all of that. So how do we do it?
So, you know, of course, you start with a good diet and thinking that having a quality food that you select to eat every day and also do exercise regularly would help to prevent diabetes also in the younger population, which they're very sedentary these days. And we have some new programs, my understanding.
Right, because we are such a busy society, right? Like, how do we do all of this? Listen to our doctors. Well, one of those may be this program called Get Fit 21, which is a Facebook-driven program, $89. They get their product, they get a coach that emails them every single day in their Facebook program and shows them what to eat, how to use the product, how to get more products, different things to melt fat even. So it's a fabulous program. It's simple to sign up. We sign the patient up in the office, right? And then they are taken care of by their coach.
Well, that's amazing. Just think about $89 for 21 days. This is including your coach and including the protein.
The protein
There's
product.
a special protein that they have that it's very fulfilling, right? And then it's helping you to lose weight because you're not eating so much.
I think it's exciting, and people need education, and they also need hand-holding. It's awesome to have a friend with you right along the way.
That's amazing.
Right?
It's an amazing. I couldn't believe that this is actually happening with the price and everything.
So
That's great.
so we're talking to our patients about it, but if you have questions about it, then email us at that email that you see at the bottom of the screen. We'll be glad to answer your questions and maybe even take one of your questions for our next segment. So join us next time on Live the V-Life with Dr. Annie.
The V-Life with Dr. Annie is produced by Advanced Cardiovascular Care Center with educational grants from Amazing Lines, Dolce Vita Cardio Advanced Med Spa, and sponsored by In Mode Aesthetic Solutions.